Ako. So, bali guys, ganito yung gagawin. Sabihin, kung walang kodigo, kung meron tayong given na 2x plus y raised to 4, kaya to guys. So, bali magkakaroon tayo ng first term that is 2x, then naka-raised to 4. Then plus, yung combination ng 4 papuntang 1, kasi start tayo sa 4, then 1 sunod. So, bali magkakaroon tayo ng yung first term na 2x. So, bali naka-raised to 3 to guys, kasi nag-start tayo sa 4. Then, may raised to 3 yung sunod. Then, yung y natin, raised to 1. Then plus 4, tapos 2 naman siya. Then yung 2x natin magiging squared yung exponent, while yung y magiging 2 rin. Then sunod naman plus yung 4, tapos 3 naman yung sa baba, tapos magiging 2x, then raised to 1, tapos yung y natin magiging raised to 3 na siya. Then yung plus 4, tapos 4 ulit, tapos 2x raised to 0, then yung y natin magiging raised to 4. So pag parehas na yung number dito, stop ka na dun. So ngayon, ano ba yung 2x raised to 4? So yung 2x raised to 4 guys, magiging 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 yan. Apat na to yan, alam na natin, magiging 16 yan. X raised to 4. So pag ginamitan natin ito ng combination guys, ano ba yung 4 tsaka 1? So meron tayong n factorial over n minus r factorial, tapos r factorial. So bali magkakaroon tayo dun ng 4 factorial over 4 minus 1 factorial times 1 factorial. Kasi yung n, eto guys, yung r. So simplify na lang natin yan, magiging 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 1 factorial. Cancel na to guys. So magiging 4. So bali magiging 4 to guys yung coefficient. Then ito, ano ba yung 2 cube? 2 cube is 8. Then x cube. Tapos meron tayong times y. Lagay na natin yung y. So ngayon, sa kabila naman tayo. So kung 2 naman to guys, so bali magiging 4 minus 2, magiging 4 choose to siya, diba? So bali magiging 4 factorial, then 4 minus 2 magiging 2 factorial, tapos yung 2 factorial pa natin. So expand na lang natin to, 4 times 3 times 2 factorial, then 2 times 2 to, kasi 2 times 2 pa rin naman yan or 2 factorial kung gusto mo. Press na yan. So maka-cancel na to guys, itong divide natin dito. So bali magkakaroon tayo ng 2 times 3 magiging 6. So bali magkakaroon tayo ng coefficient na 6. Then ano ba yung 2 squared? Magiging 4 x squared. Then meron tayong y squared. Yan. So plus, so meron naman tayong 4 choose 3. Ito naman tayo guys. So copy lang, 4 factorial. Then meron tayong 4 minus 3 magiging 1 factorial. Yung 3 factorial natin, yung copy lang natin. So magkakaroon ka ng 4 times 3 factorial over yung 3 factorial. Kasi 1 lang naman to, hindi na natin yung ilagay. Okay na yun. So over na yan guys, maka-cancel lang to. So bali magkakaroon tayo dito ng 4. So sabihin 4 yung sagot natin sa coefficient. Then meron tayong 2 raised to 1, still 2 pa rin yun guys. Then yung x raised to 1, still x. Then meron tayong y cube, still y cube pa rin. Then ba tayo sa last term. So kapag parehas yung nandito guys, 1 yung sagot dyan. Then kapag any number is to 0, 1 then magkakaroon ka na lang ng y raised to 4. So ngayon, simplify na lang natin. So sabihin, kakopy lang natin itong 16x raised to 4. Then yung 4 times 8, that is 32. So magkakaroon ka ng 32. Then copy mo lang yung mga variables. Plus yung 6 times 4, that is 24. Then meron tayong x squared, y squared. Then ito naman 4 times 2, magiging 8. So magkakaroon ka ng x, y cube. Then yung last term natin na y raised to 4. So ito yung magiging final answer natin using binomial theorem. Neto. So, picture mo na. Alam mo, pipicture mo yan